Guys, I will be dictating two passages every day, one general and one legal. So subscribe to my channel for latest updates. 5 seconds. I lay on the table the street vendors' protection of livelihood and regulation of street vending bill 2013, the governor's emoluments, allowances and privileges amendment bill 2013 and the National Institutes of Technology, Science Education and Research amendment bill 2013 as returned by Rajya Sabha with amendments on the 19th February 2014 and the Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agricultural University Bill 2014 as passed by Rajya Sabha on the 19th February 2014. Information was sought in the question regarding the number of foreign airlines including cargo airlines flying into India on regular basis along with their frequency, airlines wise the number of airports in India where foreign airlines are operating in out along with names of airlines, whether any security concerns on Jet Etihad deal has been raised, if so, the details thereof and the reasons therefore and the measures being taken by the government to address the airport security concerns in this regard. The statement referred to in reply to part B of the question contained factual error in the number of airports to from where foreign airlines are currently operating, which was given as 25 and needs to be substituted by 24. Correspondingly, in the Annexure 2 of the reply relating to current operations of foreign airlines to from airports of India at serial number 5 and at serial number 16 needs to be merged being same places and replaced with. The report relates to the examination of demands of grants of the Ministry of Rural Development, Department of Rural Development for the year 2013-14. Action taken report on the recommendations, observations contained in the report of the committee was sent to the Standing Committee on Rural Development on 25th July 2013. There are 38 recommendations made by the committee in the said report where action is called for on the part of the government. These recommendations mainly pertain to the issues concerning the schemes for generation of self-employment and wage employment, provision of housing to rural poor, rural roads, monitoring of implementation of rural development programs and other quality inputs such as assistance for strengthening of district rural development agency administration, training and research, human resource development, development of voluntary action, etc. for proper implementation of the programs. The present status of implementation of the various recommendations made by the committee is indicated in annexure to my statement, which is laid on the table of the House. I would request that this may be considered as read. Committee on Rural Development 2012-13 on the subject implementation of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 of the Department of Rural Development, Ministry of Rural Development, 15th Lok Sabha in Department of pursuance of the direction by the Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha wide Lok Sabha Bulletin Part 2 dated September 1, 2004. Here are 27 recommendations made by the committee in the said report where action is called for on the part of the government. These recommendations mainly pertain to the issues concerning the schemes for generation of employment under Manrega, permissible works, supervision and inspection of works, wage rate, delay in payment of wages, payment of unemployment allowances, grievance redressal mechanism, convergence and revamping of Manrega, etc. for proper implementation of the programs. Para, the Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 15th Lok Sabha presented its 37th report on the demands for grants for the year 2013-14 relating to the Ministry of Minority Affairs to the Lok Sabha on 2nd May 2013. The recommendations were considered and the action taken by the government on the recommendations were submitted to the committee on 13th July 2013. In the question, it was mentioned that a proposal for installation of CCTV video surveillance system at road railway station of Udupi railway stations in the region is under active consideration of KRCL administration. This was based on the information received from the KRCL. During review of the progress made for installation of surveillance cameras at these stations, it was realized that above information was inadvertently forwarded by KRCL without the approval of competent authority. As such, said proposal is yet to be formulated. Accordingly, a correcting statement has been put up. Delay is sincerely regretted. The purpose of the bill is to set up a central agricultural university in the state of Uttar Pradesh, headquartered at Jhansi. This will conduct teaching and research in agriculture. As we know, Jhansi is part of Bundelkhand and it is one of the most backward regions of India. The ground is very much infertile and barren. It is necessary to do research, particularly in dry land farming. We know many countries like Israel have made fantastic advances. It is time that we do something for the area of Bundelkhand, which is very much backward. So I welcome this initiative. This bill has already been passed in Rajya Sabha and I support it